Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. Yeah, I am back again. Yes, it has been long. Yeah, I know. Calm down, don't rush me, okay? So guys, in today's video I will be taking you guys along. Okay, I want to make my hair. Yeah, it has been long. I really do hair content. So I've been having this Brasilia who was staring at me for the very long time. I said, oh my god, I really do not know what to use this Brasilia wood to make. So let's try out something. If you know, I like short hair, so in this video I'll be making short Brasilia twist. I like twist. Have you found out that I've not tried Brasilia wood Bob Marley? Because you know why? I do not like it, and it's very difficult for me to lose. Okay, so it's when you have somebody living with you, that's when you can do that kind of hairstyle. So if you are the one do all your things, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. So guys, let's dive into this video without talking too much. Okay, so let's see how this video is going to look like. So let's go. Did you guys, if you have noticed, I like wool because I think wool is one of the hairstyles that is very easy. Expression too is easy though, but when you want to trim all those things, like, you know, when the hair is neat, it's better when the hair is very neat. I like Brasilia wool, not just only about that because it's neat, it's because like it's very easy to use. I don't know if you get. Yes, it's very easy to work on. So this hair on this video, I wanted to use a rubber band to hold it from the down because my hair is very short, but I was not having rubber band, so I just decided to do it this method. Guys, I don't know if you like this particular method. This is the hold days, like this is the hold method. Those days when you go and when you go and braid your hair, this is how they are going to twist it from the down. Okay, so I don't want to do Bob Marley from the down before I twist it. No, so that's why. So I don't know if the kind of method you like. Do you like to braid it from the down like Bob Marley, or you like it twist like this? Some people say twist like this is very painful. Yes, I agree, it's very painful, but not like that. But I did not feel pain when I was doing this hair. It was after when I finished the hair I was feeling a little bit pain, but after that day I did not feel pain again. So I'm just trying to cut the wool because the one I was using has finished, and that's just it. I use 3-pack of Brasilia wool for this hair. Yes, 3-pack, ponto, like dots, 3-pack. So I will have some at home. I thought, okay, maybe if it's not enough, I'm going to use them. So because I know a lot of people will come and still ask me, how many pack did you use? I use 3-pack, whole 3-pack. Okay, I use 3-pack of Brasilia wool just to achieve this hair because the weather is so hot. That's why I choose this hairstyle. Despite we are coming to winter already, but the weather is still hot, a little bit still hot. So what do you think about this hair? Imagine making your hair and you're not seeing this hair. Guys, imagine you making your hair and you are not seeing what you are doing. Like, I was not even seeing what I am doing. I was just using my hand. If you see what I am doing, I'm just trying to use my hand to monitor the line and all that, but there is mirror in front of me, but the mirror cannot see my back now. Okay, so the mirror cannot see what I am cutting at the back. So guys, anything you see at the back, if the back is not neat, that is not the problem, because you understand, right? That I'm the one doing it by myself. Like this hair, I'm not taking it to any special occasion. No, I'm not taking this hair to any special occasion. I just want to make this hair. I just want to make my hair because it has really been long. I've not stayed so long like this without me making my hair since I cut my hair. You guys know I cut my hair, but my hair is gradually growing. Even when I'm not making the hair is growing. Like my hair is so full now, very full and long. But I'm trying to put relaxer. Is that Guys, I'm trying to put relaxer. Yes, I'm trying to put relaxer because I've missed my packing gel. I've missed my packing gel. Really, really, really. I've really missed my packing gel. So, guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If you have not followed this YouTube, like if you have not followed this page, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, okay? Subscribe to this page. You can also follow me on my Facebook page. Okay, I also do hair video there. Yes, I also do hair video in my Facebook page. Okay, so come in, guys, so that we can grow together and all that. Guys, at this point, like, you don't imagine how many hours I use in making this hair. Just guess how many hours I used. I started this hair around 9 o'clock. I finished this hair to 12, like a minute to 12. How many hours is that? That is 2 hours, right? So this hair was easily fast. It was, even when I was, maybe sometimes I would stand up to go and ease myself. I think I stand up once to go and ease myself and all that. So I make this hair for 2 hours. Yes, 2 hours, straight 2 hours. I remember joining the NSPPD. I joined them so late. Then when I joined them, I was trying to I was cutting the Brazilian wool. It was, let me just say, 9 o'clock or to 9, like just a minute to 9 o'clock. So I finished this 11:57, I think so. Yeah. So that's just it. What did you guys think about this hair? Did I try making this braid? Like, did I try making this braid, guys? Before, I really know how to make tight twist, but you know, because I'm the one doing it on my hair, so I don't really need all that. Yes, the most important thing is that, oh guys, do you like tight braid or loose braid? Like for twisting, did you like braid, like the tight one, or you like loose braid? But it has really belonged. This one is not that tight though. It's not that tight. It's not that loose. So it has belonged. Those days I normally make Bob Marley, very loose Bob Marley, loose braid Bob Marley. Oh my God, it's very beautiful. But I've not made that hair on myself. My mother normally make that hair for me or my sisters. Okay. So for those of you that say, Peculiar, how do you learn how to make hair? Yes, I've been making hair since I was in baby. Like baby, do you know baby? Like when I was in my primary school, like my mother would put me in joko, like chair. I would sit down and be braiding I will braiding twisting, like doing braids. You know that tiny braid now. I've forgotten the name of what they call it. This Europe, I beg. I've forgotten the name. Like 1 million braid. So I normally sit down in those joko they normally use in shading in market. I normally sit down in those this thing and sit down and be braiding hair. Like very maybe I even started making hair 3 or 4 safe. So this is what this hair looks like. I'll just, my hair is finally here. Okay, so I put hot water by myself because Obi was not at home when I was making this hair. Obi was at work because I make this hair on my off day. The day I did not go to work, that's the day I make this hair. So I say, okay, let me use today. Let me not just sit down at home and be doing nothing and be sleeping around. Okay. So guys, what did you think? This is the final look. As you all know, I don't like to burn my Brazilian wool because I don't want it to spoil my clothes. Yeah, I like it like this. Okay, so what do you guys think about this beautiful dancer in your screen? Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.